Go take all this wood to the market and sell it.
I have no interest in this work, Grandpa. I want to go school like other kids.
This is our family business, which has been running since our ancestors, and now you have to it down.
Thank you. I need one book. I will not give up.
Max, dinner is ready. Tell me what's bothering you, Max. Your granny, always by your side. Trust me.
I want to go school. I have big dreams, Granny, but Grandpa wants me to run his business.
Okay, I'll let you go to school, but you have to promise me that you won't quit your business and give it your full time.
Okay, Grandpa, I will give my time to business for sure. Looks like you are new at school.
Listen, if you want to stay here long, you have to obey me, understand?
Surprise Granny and Grandpa. I bought new car which is most expensive.
Proud of you, Max, son.